Facing Xbox error 0x803F9008 can be frustrating, but don't worry, I've got some quick fixes for you. First, check your internet connection. A weak signal can cause licensing issues. Next, ensure your Xbox Live subscription is active. If you're using Game Pass, make sure your subscription hasn't expired. Now, let's dive into region settings. Sometimes, your console's region doesn't match the game's region. Go to Settings, select System, then Language and Location, and adjust if necessary. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset. Just hold the power button for 10 seconds, unplug it for a minute, then power it back on. This can clear up many glitches. Lastly, if all else fails, reinstall the game. It's a bit of a hassle, but it can resolve deeper licensing issues. With these steps, you should be back to gaming in no time.